S1000D. S1000D is a standardized specification used in the aerospace and defense industries for managing and exchanging technical documentation related to complex equipment, including aircraft, missiles, and other defense systems. It provides a structured framework for creating, organizing, and sharing technical information, ensuring consistency, accuracy, and efficiency in the creation and maintenance of technical publications. S1000D plays a crucial role in the aerospace technical publication industry by offering a standardized approach to information management and dissemination. Here are its key roles: standardization, modularity, interoperability, cost savings, life cycle management, global collaboration, compliance, improved user experience.